little duckies.
There's your mommy and the daddy.
So we're pretty much feeding the geese popcorn.
I'm feeding them popcorn.
Oh look, we got more scavengers coming. They're so adorable.
There's your daddy and the mommy. They won't eat it.
Fucking force feed them then.
I think it's too crunchy for them or something.
Force feed it. Fucking coming to me now? What the fuck is this? No. Chloe, get them away!
Let them, Daddy! Let them.
Look, they're coming after you! You're supposed to get scared.